For the Brightside family, moving day was here at last. Unpacking the essentials first, they set about making their house a home. Everything was absolutely perfect. The only thing left to do was to invite the neighbors over for a housewarming party. It was then that something unexpected happened. A moment of illumination, but what was it that kept those clever Brightsides so charged up when everyone around them had fallen into darkness? This party was the start of a change, for something new and exciting that would illuminate their lives forever. The Kovacs begin their annual spring clean. Only this year they were having to make a few more sacrifices. With energy prices hurtling out of control, the train had run out of track. It was time to alight at station's storage cupboard. Luckily for them, there was light at the end of the tunnel. The next stop is cheaper energy bills and playtime powered by the sun. For Claude and Michelle, the end of the road has sadly come. They longed for the open road and to see the world. But without an affordable way to keep their adventures powered, their hopes and dreams had stalled. Luckily for them, something life-changing was just around the next bend. For Claude and Michelle, this was just the beginning. The world was now their oyster. All great stories have a beginning. And this is the Brightsides. The Brightsides weren't always so equipped. There was a time when they were left in the dark. A picture-perfect Sunday morning was quickly turned into a disaster. But for Mr. Brightside, the answer was just about to land in his lap. And the rest, as you know, is history.